Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to enable our Galaxy system updates to be updated not only by Wi-Fi but with mobile data too. So, how to do it? Of course, settings, then security and privacy. Here at the bottom we have other security settings, and here at the bottom again we have Galaxy system app updates. By default this option is turned on, our automatic updates are on, and we have use Wi-Fi only, or also by default it's turned on. But when we turn it off, we can also use our mobile data for our download options. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.